This is what he earns per view. Per 1,000 view, multiply this by 1,000. Per 1 million view, multiply this number by 1 million. Per lifetime of his channel, multiply this number by the total view on his channel, which you can get on the about page. So for the lifetime of his channel, we multiply this number by the total view we are seeing on his channel. In total, he has earned about $444,000 on YouTube. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dan and I talk about finance, business, entrepreneurship, anything and everything that you need to be a success. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are discussing YouTubers and their revenue. How much do YouTubers actually earn? There are several myths and legends on what YouTubers earn, but in this video you and I will calculate the revenue of YouTubers per view, per 1,000 views, per 1 million views, even for the lifetime of their channel up to this date. You will see if it's worth it to be a YouTuber and make YouTube videos. This is the second episode of how much YouTubers earn. For the first episode, where I discuss 6 different YouTubers and the revenue, click on this link you are seeing to check it out. This calculation that we will carry out in this video is only based on the AdSense alone. If you want to know other ways that YouTubers make money on this platform, click on this link to see other ways that YouTubers make money from $0 to $1 million in a month. Unbelievable. So, since you're ready, let's get started. So we want to understand ad revenue analytics. To have a better understanding of how it works, you need to know RPM and CPM. RPM, as is defined here, is a metric that represents how much money you earn per 1,000 video views. RPM is based on multiple revenue sources, including ads, channel membership, YouTube premium revenue, super chat, and super stickers. Is the money that the YouTuber earn. Whereas CPM, which is the cost per 1,000 impressions, is a metric that represents how much money advertisers are spending to show ads on YouTube. So for a YouTuber, advertisers pay CPM, but the YouTuber only gets about 50% cut of that money, and that 50% cut that the YouTuber gets is called RPM. The purpose of this video is not to check how much advertisers are paying, but is to check what YouTubers are earning. So for that purpose, we'll be using what YouTubers earn, which is the RPM. So RPM is a better metric of what YouTubers earn. Here we have Meet Kevin. So he did a video where he showed us how much he earned from June to September. Using the calculation which you are seeing that's displayed, to get the revenue of a YouTuber, we multiply the RPM with the total number of views that the YouTuber has. We divide by 1,000 because we are using RPM, and RPM is per 1,000. So the formula remains the same. Multiply the RPM of the YouTuber with his total view divided by 1,000. That's how you get the total revenue that the YouTuber has obtained from ad revenue. Meet Kevin has made this calculation so easy for us by showing us his RPM, which is 12.42. So in order to get his total revenue, we multiply this RPM with the total number of views that he has. That will give us, if you go to the about page of any YouTuber, you will see the total number of views that they have from the period that they joined the channel. So he joined in September 21st, 2010, and he has over 186 million views. So when you multiply the RPM, which is 12.42, times the total number of views he has, so RPM is per 1,000, as I've shown you earlier. So you divide this number by 1,000. So This shows us that since the starting of his channel, he has earned over $2 million. That's huge. Just from AdSense alone. He has earned over $2 million just from AdSense alone. So this is what Meet Kevin earns since the inception of his YouTube channel, about $2.3 million. His videos are centered around stimulus, COVID-19, US election and the impact on the economy, stocks and market, property, and several other things that you can see on his channel. The next person that we'll be considering is Gillian Perkins. So we want to see how much she has earned since the inception of her YouTube channel. She did not give us the RPN for her channel. So in this case, how do we still get the total revenue for our channel? So what we do is simple. She has given us the total earning for a given period of time, which is from May 2017 to May 2019. She told us what she earned. So for us to get the RPM, we divide the total earning we have here by the views that she has over this period. So that will give us the RPM that she has. That will give us divided by the total views that she had during this period. The total view that she had is 9.5 million views divided by 9.5 million views, which is 9500. So this is what she earned per view on YouTube. For 1000 views, we multiply this number by 1000, which gives us that her RPN is about $6.9. Therefore, for the lifetime of our channel, we multiply this by the total views she has divided by 1000 as shown in our formula. Just like before, if you go to the about page, you will see the total number of views that the YouTuber has. So we multiply this by the 22 million views that she has. We've gotten the total number of views that she has, but since we are using RPM, we divide this number by 1000. Her total revenue since inception of her YouTube channel of August 29, 2012 is about $152,000. So now you see how much YouTube has earned. And her videos are centered on how to start a YouTube channel, her YouTube equipment and how to film on your phone, the daily habits that change her life, and several other things on passive income and earning money online. Our next person is Spencer. How much does Spencer earn per view, per 1000 views? The formula remains the same, where we multiply the RPM with the total number of views divided by 1000. But here we cannot see his RPM. He did not give us his RPM. So how do we still know how much he earns? It's simple. To get the RPM, we divide the total revenue he has by the total number of views he has during that period, which is October. So RPM is the estimated revenue he has for October divided by the total viewership for October. It also works for a year or for a day. Once you know the revenue for a period, divide that revenue by the total viewership during that period, you will get the RPM. To get the RPM, we divide his earning his viewership is about 1.1 million, and this number gives us a better estimate of his viewership. So that's why we're using this number in this calculation. So which means that per view, this is his earning per view on YouTube. But for 1000 views, we have $8.2 per 1000 views. So this is the RPM, since it's the amount of money he earns per 1000 views. So in order to get his total revenue, we multiply this number by his total viewership divided by 1000. Just like before, when you go to the about page of any YouTube channel, you will see the total viewership. So you multiply it with, which means he has earned about $56,000 on YouTube, and his videos are centered on authentic or charlatan, how he make his YouTube video behind the scenes, real or fake, and several other things about investment and financial mistakes that people make in their 20s. We have earning on demand. How much does she earn per view, per 1,000 view, and per 1 million views? Our formula is the same, where we calculate the earning of YouTubers. We do not have our RPM in this video, but we have our estimated revenue for October and the viewership for the same October. So using that, we can easily get the RPM by dividing her revenue for October by the viewership she has during that same period, which will give us so this gives us what she earned per view on YouTube. So per 1,000 view, we'll multiply this number by 1,000, which is RPM is about $11.6. Wow, that's high. That's really high. In order to get the total earning of her YouTube channel, we'll multiply this RPM by the total viewership she has. And how do we get the total viewership? When you go to the About page of any YouTube channel, you will see their total viewership. She has about 6.5 million views. So times, since we're using RPM, we divide this number by 1,000, which will give us about $77,000. So since starting a YouTube channel, she has made about $77,000 just from YouTube AdSense alone. Can't you see that it's good to be a YouTuber? I want to use the opportunity to encourage you that if you are considering of starting a YouTube channel, I will encourage you to start. You can check out my video in the link that's showing on how to go about starting your own YouTube channel, and even click on the link you are seeing now on how to grow your YouTube channel. So guys, let's take this moment to like this video so that YouTube will recommend this video for other people to view it. The way you are interested to see how much YouTube has earned, other people, your friends are also interested. So guys, smash the like button now. Earning on Demand makes video on YouTube channel updates, vlog, her store, day in her life as an entrepreneur, and several other things about her life, YouTube, and her opinions on things. Even her marriage proposal is here. Yes, we have Kevin David. He made a video of how much YouTube paid him in 2019. So let's see how much YouTube has paid him over the lifetime of his channel. To know it, we use our formula of RPM times total view divided by 1,000. He did not give us his RPM in this video, but we can generate it by dividing his estimated revenue for the period of 2019, which he has given us, by the total viewership he has during that period. So just a simple mathematics, we divide 400,000 divided by 42.6 million. So this gives us what he earns per view on YouTube. So per 1,000 view, he earns $9.4. So this $9.4 is his RPM. So for 1 million view, we multiply this number by 1 million. So he earns about $9,000 on YouTube by making YouTube videos. What of the lifetime of his channel? How much does he earn? So we multiply this RPM by the total view he has on his channel and divide it by 1,000 because we are using RPM for this calculation. So which means for the lifetime of his channel, he has earned about $447,000 based on YouTube AdSense only, and his videos are centered on Amazon FBA, earning money daily, passive income, making money online, top 10 jobs with no degree, and several other things about passive income online. So now you see how much YouTube has earned per view, per 1,000 views, per 1 million views on their YouTube video from AdSense only. So guys, thank you for watching. Please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel now. Thank you guys for watching. You are the best. So this is the second episode. More episodes of how much YouTuber earns are rolling. Subscribe so that you get updated when I release more episodes of YouTubers and their earning. Thank you for watching. So I would encourage you guys to also check out these YouTubers. I will share their link in the description box of this video for you to go and check these YouTubers out. Don't only watch and admire this video, but please like and subscribe to my channel.